It's time to play the Possum Lodge word game, and today's guest is local explosive expert, Mr. Edgar Montrose. And today, Mr. Montrose is playing for a fantastic grand prize, a brand new stereo receiver supplied by Soupy's Electronic Emporium. Some reassembly acquired. Okay. Uncle Red, you have 30 seconds to get Mr. Montrose to say the following word. You have to cover your ears, Mr. Montrose.
Not necessary.
Okay. Today's word is delicate. Delicate.
Yeah, all right, Harold.
Go!
Edgar! Edgar! This is something that's easy to break.
Marital commitments.
No. What word comes to mind when you think of bone china or crystal?
Oops.
All right, now, say you're on one of your demolition sites there. There's a little flower there, eh? A tiny flower, dainty little petals. You would say that flower is?
Toast.
I remember the old water tower. Remember? You blew that up, and you didn't even scratch the factory next door. You must have been very...
Embarrassed.
embarrassed?
Well, actually, I was hired to dynamite the factory.
Mama's running out of time, Uncle Red.
Yeah, I know.
Moving on.
I got it. Lunch hour. You take a break, you go over to Schaefer's Delicatessen, what do you order?
Oh, corned beef on rye.
Okay, but not just any corned beef. You order Schaefer's Special.
Deli cut.
There we go.